Hey guys, springtime's coming, so we're getting ready to get the boats out. Some things you really need to check. If you got surge brakes on your trailers, go ahead and check the brake fluid on them. Get that .3 Lucas oil brake fluid put in there. On the winch stand, we've got Zert fittings on there. You want to make sure you check those out. Definitely the hubs on your tires, on your wheels. Whether it's a hybrid grease or if it's a regular marine grease, we've got either one you need, but make sure you got those hubs taken care of. Running up and down the road, you don't want to have a hub issue. Take care of those. Check your air pressure in those tires. That's the biggest fault of blown tires is air pressure. Lower unit, you always want to drain your lower unit. Get some Lucas synthetic lower gear oil, put in there, drain it, make sure if it's white, foamy looking, take it to your marine dealer, get it serviced, get it taken care of. You got a seal issue there. A few Zert fittings on the back of the boat back there around the engine, do that. Check your fuel, make sure you got the right fuel treatment in there. Take care of those situations. And your batteries, have your batteries tested. Make sure you don't have a problem when you get to the boat ramp. Those few tips right there is going to keep you on the water, keep you having fun, and keep you out of the shop.